3 whaps.
We need to make some.
Fuck the wheels.
Right, man's ready. Oh, fuck
ready?
hell, hang.
Look at that.
Right. Or not. Either me or Alex goes underneath, or any ideas? Any suggestions?
It's a bad idea.
I say just line it up and then we'll hope that there's some sort of bolt that goes in. Do you know what I mean?
Impossible.
Oh, I don't want to kill Eric.
Yeah, mate, he's just sliding it underneath. Just use your foot, don't use anything. Just use your foot and slide it.
But all we've
use
got
my
to do,
foot
mate,
and
is hold the
slide it.
transmission.
2 of us. It's 45 kilos for 2 of us. It's not hard.
Heavy fucking thing. I don't really have much room.
Ready? I'm just going to lift it up. Yes, like that. Good, good, good. That's good.
Got like. You turn this slightly.
Oh, mate.
One.
Oh my god. Wow, that made life so much better.
I mean, I know you'd have a ramp and stuff, but holy shit. Hobby.
Hang on, hang on. Phone can go fuck itself.
Fuck that phone, mate. It's on.
Easier to put it back on or easier to take it off?
Probably about the same, to be honest.
Fair, mate. Yeah.
That is a stripped ass
It is.
fucker,
It
isn't
is.
There's only one next to the drive shaft.
Whole entire engine is just on this piece of wood through this ratchet strap.
That's just amazing.
Roadworthy. I can get in that car right now and drive it if everything was, you know, as it. You fat cunt.
Nyans.
Come on then, hurry up, mate. Why are you taking so long? Fucking I'll do it in a minute.
You know what?
Oh, the old clutch.
Yeah, heat spots. Oh, hurry up, mate. Why you've not got it in yet?
Mate, is he still talking?
I just tried to put it into like third and it's just such a weird sensation when it just goes sideways.
Oh, mate, this is mad.
They were. No, that's first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fucking hell. Reverse.
Reverse.
Like,
Wow.
like, it needs adjusting because,
No.
like,
That's one good thing. It's got gears.
when you fat Nicky addicts, come on.
No, it's the same rollie as earlier.
Hey, come on.
Oh, yeah.
Mate, man
Yeah,
said...
2 hours late to work.
Oh,
them 2
man said he
hours.
wasn't going to come too early, yeah, between
Shut up.
9 and 10. Dickhead turns up at 12, what are you saying?
Hey, shut up.
Dickhead. Fucking hell.